Of course, maraming salamat sa lahat ng club teams. Thank you very much for supporting our NB team race. Maraming pa po tayong karera na dadating in the future. Next race, next confirmed race is in Caliraya, Laguna. If you remember last year, we had the La Laguna in Santa Cruz, Laguna. This year gagawin po natin siya sa Caliraya, Laguna. Ang pinakamaganda rito, the best thing is bayad po lahat, libre po tayong lahat sa Caliraya, Laguna. Yung transportation lang ang sasagutin natin, but food and accommodation are all free. Parang walang excited na fathers. Fathers, are you guys excited for Caliraya? Sabi ni Nancy, nakafocus daw kayo sa laro ngayon, so huwag ko daw kayong istorbohin. But anyway, pakilagay na sa calendar ninyo, April 24, that's Caliraya. April 23 and 24, that's our next confirmed Dragon Boat race sa Caliraya, Laguna. Sponsored by La Laguna. All expenses paid. Accommodation and food. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. All we have to shoulder, yung pamasahe na lang po natin. Meron din cash prizes. And meron din tayong Dagupan race. Meron din tayong Tacloban race. Meron din tayong Boracay race. And the best of all, we also have a race. Meron tayong Tacloban race confirmed. We have a Tacloban race very soon. We also have a confirmed Dragon Boat race sa mga mayayamang team sa Rome, Italy. Manila Wave is already confirmed. This year's World's Dragon Boat, ang tawag doon, World Championship for Dragon Boat will be held in Rome, Italy. Yung katabi ng Rome is Milan, doon siya gagawin. Thank you very much. Asian Beach Game, come on, in China. Ang dami nating karera. National team daw. At doon sa mga gustong maging national team. May nawawalang bata. Hinahanap daw niya yung yaya niya. What's the name of your yaya?
May nawawalang bata dito. Boy with a pink umbrella. Kaninong anak ito?
Boy with a pink umbrella.
May batang lalaki na nandito. He's wearing a gray shirt and blue jeans with a pink umbrella. What's your name?
Alright, from PDRT, come on! You're the winner for today! Alright! Alright! Alright, congratulations, PDRT! Sumasagot ba yung yaya ng PDRT?
Yaya na ba?
Alright. Alright, our main event, are we ready? Sino ang magiging champion for the next 23 finals? Ano pang karera natin? Angel, Nancy.
Lalabas naman yun sa laptop or pag-race ka.
Sila, lane score.
Alright, stand by. Race number 17. Final for Mix 20 crew. Alright, our main event for today. Our main and final event, Mix 20 crew finals. Alright, the heat is on. Race number 17, final Mix 20 crew, lane 1, Manila Wave. Lane number 2, Philippine Navy. Lane number 3, PDRT. And lane number 4, University of the Philippines. Sino ang magiging champion natin ngayon for Mix 20 crew? In a few seconds, we will find out. This is really a tough competition, tough heat for everyone. Manila Wave, Navy, PDRT, and University of the Philippines. Wow, very tough! Alright, Philippine Navy! Alright, maraming salamat. We still have awarding. So please